What up, world? Your homie Mag 357 Guns. This is the part where I show you part 3. I didn't tell you I was gonna do this part, but basically, I got all my shoelaces from the 9.5s. These are from the 30s. These are from the Blackcats. These are from the 6 rings, the gray ones. These are the Blackcats. I'm sorry. And then you have all that, right? So let's go and show y'all how clean I got the shoes. And if you hear water in my other video and in this video, it's because I got a fish tank. And I'm going to change the... Oh, I can't. I can't change the camera around, but hey, here we go. So these are the 9.5s I got cleaned up. And once they get dry, I'm going to put something in the toe cap, and then I'm going to get rid of some of that, these creases. I got a little steamer, and I'm going to steam the stuff out of the creases out. So this one, I'm going to work on that, getting that. I'm probably going to try to sew it down and then glue it and let that cure. And then we'll do I'm going to take the whole bottom part off the shoe and re-glue it with some Barge Infinity cement. So they came out pretty clean. They looked like trash. I'm gonna take this off with a little heat. I don't know why people keep that plastic on there, but that's what they do. This one doesn't have the plastic on it. You can see the difference. It looks better without all that plastic on it. So my 30s came out stupid clean. Now, where you see this black at right here, I'm gonna use a little oxidizer, 40 or 50 volume, and get that off. And then the 6 rings are way down over there, and they are just ridiculously clean. They came out really good. And that is my fish tank over there. Okay? Somebody will say, oh, your water's yellow. Actually, the water is not yellow, it's clear. It's that crazy ass LED light that's not supposed to be up there that's making it appear to be that color. So boom, there you have that. What I got here is a ceramic element heater, and it's helping me with the process of heating them, or just getting the room temperature a little bit hot, because you don't want to directly put heat on it because it'll cause the shoe to separate. Then that'll be more work for me to have to do with that barge cement, and I don't feel like doing all that. So here's the things you need to know. Whenever you're working with J's, Jordans, whatever, you see this chrome piece right here? Try not to submerge that in water for a long time, because that chrome will come up off of there. It's paint, okay? And it's not clear coated or none of that. But you can see sparkles in that shoe right there. I don't know if that's 3M. I hear a lot of people say that, but you know, you have that in that shoe. These are nice, pretty nice. I might need to, this one needs to go back and get water taken out of it. It was a puddle of water there for a second, then it just disappeared. But yeah, it's pretty much a lot of water in there. And I got a special solution that I come up with to clean my shoes up with, and it works wonders for me. And I'm not going to stop doing that. It didn't get this out of this shoe. I think that's more like some kind of tar or something. I don't know what that is, but there was something stuck onto the side of this shoe. I can still feel a little bit of it, but I'm gonna leave it alone because I don't want nothing to come off even further. I'm fine with it being like it is, and I'll just work with that shoe like it is. It's not that bad. I mean, it really don't matter to me for what I'm using the shoes for. I'm just getting my collection on, and I'm gonna wear them, and that'll be the end of that. What we can do is, in my next video, I'm gonna show you how I get my J's. And it's going to be a really, really simple way that I get my J's. And you're going to really wonder, why not think of that myself? So it's your homie Mag 357 Guns. Next video is going to be a part 4 where I show you how I get these J's and whatnot. 1.